one is number 2. This one is just for information. Okay, but the first thing you have to understand is, how to change. Okay, normally it's from degree to radian, and from radian to degree. You have to know how to change it. Just for example, 360 degree, how to change to 2 pi radian? Okay. So the form is like the radian to degree. So the formula is radian divided by pi times 180. So the method is 5 over 8 pi divided by pi times 180. So we can cut off pi and pi. So we left 5 over 8 times 180. So you will press calculator and then you will get an answer. This is how the radian to degree. So the answer will be 112.5. Okay, this one is a very simple one. So I just show the example. Okay, okay, so we're going for B. You will do yourself. Okay, A I set already. So understand, right? Okay, this is easy. So we're going to the second one. Change from degree to radian. Okay, change from degree to radian. This one is easy one. So degree to radian, we're using another formula. Degree divided by 180 times. Okay, you get the answer in. Okay, you get the answer in degree form. Okay, sorry, in radian form. Okay, later I will show you what is the rationale we do this. Okay, so I do question B. Radian, you want to get the radian, 255 divided by 180 times pi. Okay, the question asks you to put in terms of pi. So you don't need to do anything. You just press calculator and then you get the answer 1.417 pi. Or you write 1.4167 pi. Then finish. Okay. So now I want to explain to you how actually we're going to get this one. Actually is by ratio. Okay. What is mean by ratio? So radian will be divided by pi. Okay. And degree will divided by 180. Actually, in beginning is radian divided by 2 pi, degree divided by 360. But after we simplify, we get this one. So you remember this one will solve you all the question. Okay? 不管你们用什么方法，我们只要记得这一个，我们就可以找到答案。从 radian 变成 degree 变成 radian 都可以做一样的东西。Okay? For example, just now, radian, okay, I got 1.417 pi divided by pi. If you want to find degree, then you move this 180 to here become times 180. Okay, at the same time, I use red color to write this one. Radian divided by pi, degree 180. Okay, same thing. Degree we know already is 255. Radian we don't know. Pi we move to another side times pi. Then you get the answer 1.417. Okay, you get it 了，明白吗 ？OK， 不明白的可以问啊。明白的我们就去下一个了。OK, understand? Then we go the question number. We go for the arch. Okay, arch length. Okay, so we go for the next one and let you see for a while. Okay, we go for, I think this one is easy. So I go for the next one. Yes. arch length, the formula is given S equals to R theta. Okay, the formula is S equals to R theta. Remember this. Okay, so how are we going to do? I give some question. Okay, let you to see. Easy one. Okay, I let you to show. I let you do the easy question. I give an example. Okay. So the question is this. The following diagram show a center AOB with the center O and radius 12 cm. So important point is radius equals to 12 cm. So what is the question now? Okay, the question is, okay, the question comes. The question comes. Okay, the question comes. Given the perimeter of center AOB is 60. Okay, perimeter, you write down the answer. Perimeter AOB equals to 60. Find the values in radian. Okay, theta in radian. So once you get the perimeter, you write down whatever information you got. This one is 12. This one is 12. Okay, because it's radius. So we know AB. So it's 12 plus 12 plus AB equals to 60. Okay, so now we're going to do. So we know the formula for AB is R theta. R theta. So bear in your mind, R theta, bear in your mind, this one is S. Theta must be covered by the radius opposite of this arch. OK， 一定要是被这个 S cover 跟 radius cover 的，这个叫做 theta。所以我们现在找的那个不是这样子的。So I label this one is alpha. OK， so we do R12 alpha equals to 60. We get the alpha first. After that only we get the answer. So 60 divided by 24. 60 divided by, minus 24, we get 36. Okay, so alpha we get is 36 divided by 12. Then answer alpha equals to 3. Once you get alpha, okay, once you get alpha, we use theta equals to 2 pi minus 3. You get the answer. Okay, where is? Let the answer 3.284. Okay, so we go for this question. The following diagram shows two centers POS and QOR with center of O. Okay. So we're going to do now. The question is given to you already. So angle SOP is theta radian. The radius OS is twice the length of arch. Okay, this one is very important. The radius of OS. So we assume this is R. Is twice the length of arch SP. So this one is 2R. Sorry, again. The radius OS is twice the length of arch SP. So this one R, this one is 1/2R. Okay. OP equals to PQ equals to 5. Calculate the angles, calculate the values of theta in radian. So the A, very easy. So we try to solve it using the formula S equals to R theta. S equals to 1/2R. R is R. Theta is theta. Sorry, R is 5. Okay, R is 5. Actually, if you leave it as 5, R also can be get the answer. Okay, just cancel off theta equals to 1/2. OK， 其实你不用把 R substitute 进去也没有问题，你也是可以拿到答案的，一模一样的。OK， 所以其实这一题考试很多的时候是没有给你 R 的，叫你找答案。OK， 所以你直接写 formula substitute 进去 ，R 跟 R 割掉，你不要讲R 跟 theta 有2个未知数找不到答案，没有事情的。我们只要割掉它就可以找到答案 ，OK 吗？明白吗
OK， 明白。
因为只要搬过去变成除就对答案了。Okay, so we go for the next one. The perimeter of the shaded region. So perimeter of shaded region means we get A, B, C, and D. Okay, so theta is get the answer already. Theta equals to 1/2. So it's easy for us to get the answer. So SR equals to PQ. SR equals to PQ. Correct enough. Equals to 5. Okay, so we get answer already. Perimeter equals to A plus B plus C plus D. So A is what? A is 2 R. Sorry, half R. Half R. B is what? 5. C is 5. D, okay, D we don't know, but we know is R theta. Okay, this R theta. This R is O R O O Q. Theta you get already. Okay, then we get the answer. This one is 5, 5, 5, 5, 15, 15. Then our answer is 17, 1/2 cm. So the following diagram show a center GOF of a circle with center O and the radius of 10. Okay, so like this you have to circle it, the important message, or you write down here 10. Okay, find the perimeter of shaded region. Same thing, you have to label first A, B, and C. So want to get the answer, you write perimeter equals to A plus B plus C. Okay, so we know this one is 10. Okay, hypotenuse is 10. Okay, we don't know what is GH, we also don't know what is OH, but never mind, we can get the answer. What method you want to get? We're using the sin, cos, and tangent. Okay, this one is 10. So sin 45 equals to, this one is GH. GH divided by 10. Okay, so GH equals to 10 sin 45. So your answer will be 10 square root 2. Because sin 45 equals to 1 square root 2. Okay, once you get GH, you have to get HF. So how to get HF? So I write down here. HF equals to 10 minus 10 square root 2. I don't want to press calculator. At the last step only I press calculator. A is 10 over square root 2 plus B is 10 minus 10 square root 2. Okay, plus C. Okay, C is what? C you haven't get it. So C is R theta. R is 10. Theta is 45 divided by 180 times. Okay. Why just now I don't want to simplify, you notice or not? This one and negative this one will become 0. So more easy for you to get the answer. Okay. So this one is 1 over pi, 1 over 4 pi. This one will become 1 over 4 pi times 10 equals to 5 over 2 pi. Then you press calculator, you will get the final answer. The final answer will be 17.855 cm. Okay, like this, the accuracy will be increased. Okay, so we are going to another part, where is area. Area equals to 1 over 2 r squared theta. So it's easy. Once you get r, once you get theta, then you can get answer already. But remember, theta must be in radian form. Okay, so must be remember this. So we try the question. The following diagram shows a semicircle O, L, M, N. O, L, M, N. Semicircle. Semicircle means half circle. Half circle. With center O and diameter 26. So diameter, this one is center. Diameter means radius is this. Okay. So from diameter, automatically you know radius equals to 13. Calculate the area for the shaded sector in cm square. Okay, this one how to get it? So we have to get this theta first. How to get theta? I tell you already. Okay, it's 180. Semicircle is 180. 180 minus 74. Okay, equals to 106 degree. So 106, remember to change to radian. Okay, remember change to radian. So I straight away get the answer. A equals to 1 over 2 r squared theta. Then you press calculator. Straight away press calculator. You will get the answer will be 156.3 cm square. Okay, then done. So we look at the question. Okay, the following diagram show a quadrant. Okay, so we circle the quadrant DAB. Quadrant. Quadrant means 1 over 4 of circle. Okay, 1 over 4 of circle. With a center A and a center COB. Okay. So one is center, one is quadrant. So this length and this length must be the same or equal. Given the radius of COB is 10 cm. So I label COB, so its radius 10 cm. The ratio for BA to BO. So BA is 2 part, BO is 5 part. Okay. BO is 10, so BA is 4. This one is 6. Understand or not how to do? BA over BO equals 2 over 5. Now we get BO is 10. The easiest way is 5 times 2 equals to 10. So 2 times 2 equals to 4. So you get the answer. Okay. The COB is 33.7. Calculate the area of the shaded region. How to get the shaded region? You use the sector. Okay. I draw sector. Okay. I use the sector minus the quadrant. Okay. Okay. So I left this triangle and this area. This area is the one you need. Is called answer. So you have to minus this blue part and the triangle. Okay, understand? So so you write down sector, area of sector minus area of quadrant minus area of triangle. This one is called shaded region. Okay, so area of sector we know 1/2 r square theta. Remember change to radian minus 1/2. So we know quadrant is 90 degree. Okay, 90 degree here. Okay, so we get the r square theta. Theta is what? 90 degree. Minus area of triangle 1/2 times 4 times 6. Okay. Then straight away you can get the answer. Press calculator on it. You will get the answer will be 4.845 cm square. Okay, we're going for next question. A slice of pizza was cut out of large pizza with diameter 36 cm. Okay, diameter 36 cm as shown in the following diagram. Okay, so even the area of the slice is 150 cm square. Find the angle sustained in the pizza slice in radians. Okay, means you calculate this one. Sorry. Okay, yeah. The perimeter of remaining. Okay, so diameter 36 automatic bring you in one information radius equals to 18 cm. Okay, so what we're going to do is using the area to do, because given is area equals to 150. So we know 1/2 r square theta equals to 150. So we get the theta equals to 300 divided by 18 square. You press calculator and then you will get the answer. The answer will be 0.9259. Okay. Radian. Okay, because question asked for radian. Okay, this is question number A. Question number B. The perimeter of the remaining in cm. Perimeter, you have to know perimeter. Okay, first question I solve it first. Perimeter, you have to know the one you get. Your left is this. Okay, so this one is r, this one is r theta. Okay, perimeter is this. But then how you get the radian? Okay, so inside here, I call it alpha. How to get alpha? Very easy. So we know the perimeter equals to 18 plus 18 plus r theta. Theta is 2 pi minus 0.9259. Okay, so straight away you can get the answer. The answer will be 132.4. cm. OK， 来看一下你们明白吗？ Okay, so we go for next question, question 31. Okay, so this is the question. The following diagram show a circular cross section of uniform pipe with center of O. Okay, it means you see one part like this, right? So we take this part, okay, become this. Okay, it's filled with water. The highest point H is 80 cm. Sorry, its highest point H is 80 cm above the surface of the water. Means the distance until this point is 80. Okay, until this one is 80. So come to see the question. Given the diameter and the length of the pipe are 120 cm and 500 cm respectively. 5. The shaded region. So we know the length of the pipe, the diameter of the pipe is 120. So diameter equal 120. So we know radius must be 60. Okay, so I made the pictures very bigger size. So here is 60, here is 20. Okay, and the length of the pipe are 500. Okay, the length of the pipe means, for example, this pipe is 500 cm, so it's not related now for the moment. So the area of the shaded region, so you want to find this region. What is the answer? Okay, so what you're going to do is draw one sector. Without drawing the sector, you cannot get the answer. Okay, so this is 20, this is 60. Understand, right? Because it's consider this one and this one also the radius. Okay, 60, 20. We try to get the 60, 20 and then get the angle. Okay. So we get the theta here. The theta here will be, this one is cos theta equals to 20 over 60. Theta equals to shift cos 1 over 3. Okay, shift cos 1 over 3. So you will get the answer. Okay, for example, it's A. Later you press calculator and show me. Okay, so for example, it's A. So we have to get theta here, also theta. Okay, so the shaded area, okay, equals to area of sector minus the area of triangle. Area of sector is 1 over 2 r squared, 60 squared theta. Theta is 2a over 180 times times pi. So you have to get A, is what? Minus area of circle, area of triangle, okay, minus area of triangle, minus area of triangle. You have to get this length, GF, sorry. You have to get GF there. So we have to get GF first. GF, we get this length first. Okay, this one. Okay. So GF is 2 times of, for example, I label this one is B. Okay, how to get B? Theorem Pythagoras. 60 square minus 20 square. You get answer is C. I don't write answer, let you to solve yourself. Okay, so the answer will be 1 over 2 times GF times 20. Then the final answer you will get. Finish. 来，我们看，明白吗？你们 start now. Question. Okay, for the question B, the volume of the water in the pipe. Volume. Okay, this one is very easy. Remember the volume. Okay, don't go to headache about the volume. Okay, you say, cylinder, volume is pi r square h. No. Remember, for volume, any volume is cross-sectional area times the length. Okay, this one is a basic one, you have to remember. So the one you get just now times 500. That's a